Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a second problem where we change the number of remaining floor and save it in problem002.txt. We created a corresponding JSON file analysis_002.json such that Python can read the problem. Last, we modify the parameter of the read problem function to read the second problem. By changing this parameter, we can solve either the first problem or the second problem. So let's say if I want to solve the first problem, I'm using analysis.json. I'm saving it and I'm running the program. Okay, today I will show you how to solve both problems without modifying the file solution.py. We will add parameters to our program. So instead of calling just solution.py, we will call solution.py and let's say analysis.json or analysis_002.json. In Python, there is a module that lets us access the command line in a list. And this module is the sys module. So I will just import this module. Import sys. Now, when I am importing it, there is a parameter sys.argv that will include a list with all the parameters in the command line. So remember, when we access a list or a tuple in Python, we are accessing it by index, and the first index is 0. So if this is the command line, sysargv will have solution.py at position 0 and analysis_002.json at position 1. So once we have the sys module imported, we just modify the read problem parameter to be the second element in sys.argv. The second, it's at position 1 because the first one is at position 0, the second one is at position 1. Now I will save this file and execute it. So let's try first to solve the first problem. Analysis.json. Okay, so that's the problem with 26 remaining floor with the solution x is bigger than 9. And if I want to solve the second problem, I'm calling solution.py with the second parameter analysis 0.02.json without modifying solution.py, and I have the second problem. So the results are as expected. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.